Alright you guys, welcome back to another vlog. I had actually just recorded this video, but I guess I shot it in the wrong mode. Not 100% sure it's gonna go through, so just in case, this is my second shooting. I'm with my boy, Sending a Media over there. He's taking some awesome pics of the TT RS. Just super thankful he's out here blessing us. It's kind of in between snowy, haily type of rain. Definitely Pacific Northwest weather.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially in Portland right now. It's sunny here. It's like, what is this?
Right.
Like, why? Why now?
Yeah, they have a saying out here that you'll experience all 5 seasons in one day, and clearly it's true. So it was super sunny earlier now, and then it got kind of foggy, you know, and now it's snowy. Later it'll probably be raining, but we'll see. He's out here shooting. We're gonna give him some really sweet shots. So the way I met Nick was before moving here from California. I was trying to find something to do, somewhere to hang out, you know. Wasn't fully convinced about moving, and I love cars, so if I can find a place to hang out with cars, that's good enough for me. We'll get to work and handle the rest. Unfortunately, it was really hard to find anything, right? When I came by myself, I didn't really see cars when I took the trip out here. I loved the nature, I loved everything, but I wasn't able to find too many cars. I think it was just the season I came in, just happened to be a bad season. Started looking on Instagram and Facebook because I knew that was a place to look, and I ended up finding my boy, Sending a Media, Nicholas. Yeah, that's how I found Nick's. I followed him for a bit actually before I ever messaged him or even asked to hang out. Yeah, I was checking out his pictures and I was like, damn, there's some really good pictures. And he's got some really cool cars in his scenes, so I know there's cars out there for sure. So I ended up following him for a bit, and then eventually I saw he was gonna go to like a Euro meet. So I asked him about the details, and I ended up going out because of TT, you know, Euro. So I ended up going out and I saw him. I was able to spot him through his pictures and kind of recognize him, and I was like, yo, you're the guy from Sending Media. He's like, yeah, that's me. Yeah, we just started chopping it up. He's a really cool dude. Yeah, that was a few months ago. I told him I want to take some pictures because I saw him doing a scene with the camera. We hadn't really set up a time, or it hadn't come about, right? But now it's been a few months and he's shooting my car. And like I said, the weather is really crappy today, but I'm forever thankful because like I said, he's blessing me with some pictures. He's gonna bless you guys too. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you see the pictures as well as him. Make sure you guys check out his adventures on YouTube. He does vlogging, photography. He's got really sweet pictures on Instagram. Most of his vlogging is Forza, he said.
Yeah, so I am an expert Forza driver on Forza Motorsport, and what I do is I just race for fun. I'm in 2 esports team. One of them is on CarX, which is DriftWorks, and then the other one is GRG, which is Gentleman Racing Group. And what we do is just trying to make money much as possible for racing. We do like team wars, we do some cool stuff, drifting, we do a lot of things.
Yeah, so make sure you check out his content on YouTube. He's got some really sweet Forza content, and like I said, he also does some vlogging where he goes out on his adventures to check out cool spots, take videos of some really cool cars, as well as he helps local businesses setting up shops. So he's done like wrapping shops and a few other businesses, but you have to go find out on his YouTube channel for that.
Since I just got this new camera, everything's all in the test. It's like snowing.
Yeah, right?
I wish it was sunny. Why?
Yeah, we could have got some sick shots. Right. I mean, these will be really cool too. I love like the snowy gray weather type of days.
Yeah, it does do nice in the photos, but if it gets like super like snowing and stuff, you could get the snow on like when it's falling on the car, and it makes it weird.
Oh yeah.
I never hear. You want to turn your wheel the other direction?
Yeah. This way.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. There you go. The battery on my thing in the fob is low.
Really?
Yeah, so it's like taking a minute.
Every time I keep hearing that little noise, I thought there was like a garage here opening. I'm like, what?
Oh, the little thing.
Yeah. Yeah, see, like right now there's a lot of snow coming down. There's like snow like connecting with your car, so there's gonna be a lot of like try to do as much as possible without ruining the car.
Without ruining the shot.
Like, don't mess it up, because I can see right now there's snow. I'll send you like raw photos so you can see
the difference. Yeah. Oh.
So I was like, I need another camera, and I need it soon. Because if every time I go to the car shows, it just makes it worse. And people don't use it because it's terrible.
Yeah.
So, yeah, oh wow, this is really nice. Whoa. I mean, well, winter.
You like right now that your car's kind of been broken down, you haven't been making too much content?
Yeah, so ever since my Z's been broken down for like almost a year, I was kind of like stuck with no car for like a couple months.
Yeah.
And now I'm just like driving the Jeep.
Yeah.
And I've been making so much content for my Z. I made like, for like maybe under like few months, I made like maybe 10,000 followers.
Oh, nice.
Or like 11,000, somewhere around there.
Oh, shit.
And then now I'm just like, I can't make content. So I'm like, and then I still can't make content because I don't have the car.
Yeah.
It's in the garage with me. I just can't get it running. So, yeah. Can we stop snowing for once? I mean, we get snow. Why not? But summer tires on your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I learned that from my Z.
Like, how'd it go? Yeah, that was worse though, because you're rear wheel drive?
Yeah, I'm rear wheel drive. You're all wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll head out. You're all covered in snow.
Oh,
Sorry. Sorry, it's all small. Trying to get in.
yeah, it's alright. My seat is small too.
Yeah,
Do you
this,
even use the back seat? No.
I had it on emergencies. I've used it. Like, I have a 7-year-old daughter.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
you use it?
Yeah, I'd put it back there. But the person in the front, there either can't be no one in the front,
Yeah.
and you move it all the way forward, or the person in the front is gonna be in a ton of pain. Yeah. I like just having the option because, like, right now I have the backpack right now.
Oh,
You just throw it back there and have somewhere to be. Is a Z a 2-seater or 4 as well?
It's a 2-seater.
2-seater?
Yeah.
Does it have buckets or anything in the back or no?
Nah, not really. That's why I need to find a way to like grow myself.
Yeah. Oh, my bad.
Because you have no headlights on.
Hold on.
Come on, dude.
Popped out of nowhere.
Yeah, I didn't even see him at first until like I see something a little bit. I'm like, no.
And he's gray too, so it just blends into the gray sky.
And it's just like a little bit brighter than yours.
Yeah.
Like my car is dark. I wanna like fix that a little bit. I thought it will be like nice and perfect and everything else.
Yeah.
But when I saw it, I like, okay, this is gonna get used to. But I always want something like, I thought the dark was gonna look nice at first.
Yeah.
Because I like being in the dark and such, but
Is it straight?
yeah, just go straight. And then ever since I'm just like, I feel like I get more attention if the car's a lot more brighter.
Oh, definitely.
So I was like, well, I don't want to get cops' attention with bright, but I'm not gonna do a lot of modifications and such on the like speeding or anything. Like it's gonna be my daily / business car / anything pretty much.
How are the cops here with modded cars?
So the cops here, it's really depending what they're looking at.
Okay.
So one of my buddies, somehow he keeps getting pulled over every time. Only because, one, I know his car is loud. 2, he likes to show off. And 3, I mean, he has his, there's a thing called globe race. You can get at the icy arrow.
Okay.
And he literally just got that one, so he loves it and uses it all the time. So I don't know if he's getting pulled over because of that.
Okay.
But
What is it?
so it's on the, so it has like a grill, and right behind it there's lights.
Okay.
It makes it very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's like a show car thing.
Yeah, it's
and-
like a show car thing and everything else, so it's pretty nice.
Oh, but the cops see it on and they pull him
Yeah,
over.
you can see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like that.
That'd be
Yeah.
sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Is that his car?
No.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, back home the cops are always on every any little
Yeah.
thing. You're lowered too much, or your wheels are slightly cambered.
Yep.
Yeah.
It really does. Like
Stickers.
mhm. I made that too. And you can take a left on this as well. There's my buddy's Z right here too.
That thing's sweet. I see that every time.
Yep.
Even in the snow, he drives it.
Yeah. It's for sale too. It's like $9,000.
Really?
Yeah. I want that wing though because it looks so nice. It looks it makes it so aggressive.
Yeah.
I always want to have that wing so bad, but I don't know if he wants to sell it to me. But hey, it is what it is. I like my wing for now.
Yeah, I used to have a big turbo 335i with like
Really?
a 62, 66.
Yep.
And I got beat by a 350Z with the big turbo too. They had like a turbo kit.
Oof.
Yeah, and I was like, and it was a perfect platform because it's rear wheel drive, they're both big turbo. But that thing was so nice. And like, I like the shape of the 350 a lot more than the 335. The 335 just looks like a basic car.
Yeah.
Like a mom's car. 350Z looks like JDM goodness, you know?
Yeah.
Did you have a security camera? Is that what you sent me?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
cool.
so there's my Jeep, there's my dad's 4Runner.
Oh, nice.
Yep. And then inside the garage is where my Z is.
That's inside the garage.
Yep. Also, well, look at it. This wasn't here.
Yeah, no,
This was not here.
That couch is gonna get covered.
Yeah. Well, good to know. We need to get back on now. So, 100%.
Well, I don't have much, but at least $10 you can buy a burrito or something.
Right, there we go.
Yeah, thank you, dude.
You're welcome. And we'll do it again when the weather's better.
Yeah, definitely. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
All right, you guys, so I just dropped off my boy, Nick. I'm gonna head home because the weather isn't really that great. I'm still on like performance summer tires, like I've been saying. The car is handling amazing. This thing is great. Yeah, like if you're just gonna drive it normally, you're not gonna have a problem with these tires. Oh, you'll be fine. As long as you're not trying to, like, you know, launch it at the light or pull off like I did right there. You can baby it really easily. And I don't feel like going around or anything. Squiggling, you know, being weird. It's still pretty light right now, so we'll see. Once this gets covered with some snow, I'm not sure exactly how it'll do. But yeah, thank you guys for coming along. I know it wasn't much, but I wanted you guys to meet my boy Nick. He has some really good content, honestly. He's a really cool guy. I just feel like he needed a little bit more exposure. And again, I'm super thankful that he took some pictures for me for pretty much free. I gave him a little tip because that's all I had, cash, and honestly I'm kind of broke right now. But make sure you guys like and subscribe so we can change that, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, just keep bringing you some sick views. I'm gonna be doing some more POV of actually driving the car hard, but like I said, right now this thing will get squiggly really easily. I'm not really trying to do all that right now. And yeah, I'm passing by a lot of schools, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.